Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to select multiple pages in Microsoft Word to copy accurately and efficiently. This skill is essential when working with long documents, reports, assignments, research paper, books, contracts and professional files where copying one page at a time can be slow and frustrating. Many users try dragging the mouse across pages, which often leads to missing text or selecting unwanted content. In this video, I demonstrated reliable and professional methods to select, copy and paste multiple pages at once while keeping the formatting intact. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your document. We can see here assignments on my college. Now I am zoom out the page. We can see here many page. Now I want to copy multiple page. At first select the first page, then press and hold Ctrl to select the individual page. Now I am select my choice page but not all page. Using the Alt key, press and hold on our keyboard. Then click right button to copy, otherwise press Ctrl C using this shortcut key to copy. Then we go to the file menu, click new option and create a blank page. Then paste the pages. We can see we copy and paste multiple page in Word to very easily. Now you can go back this another document. Now we can see we make this very easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.